Hello everyone, I'm Shiting. Today, I'd like to share my thoughts on the sustainable event review of the Clubs and Society Festival that took place at Taylor's Unit Square from September 30 to October 3rd. This 4-day festival was a fantastic opportunity for various clubs to promote themselves and attract new members through engaging booths filled with information and activities. Before the event began, I noticed some positive sustainability measures in place. Recyclable bags and boxes were used for storing materials and equipment, which is a great step toward reducing waste. Instead of traditional paper decorations, many booths creatively utilized aluminum foil, showcasing innovation in resource use. I was particularly impressed by the Frisbee Club, which used a repurposed tube as equipment for interactive activities. This not only engaged students, but also demonstrated an effort to reuse materials for future events. During the festival, it was encouraging to see that paper boxes were well managed. They were folded and collected for recycling after the event. However, there were significant challenges that we need to address. First, there was a noticeable reliance on non-renewable resources, particularly plastic, which undermines our sustainability efforts. Second, noise pollution from crowds and the disassembly of the venue affected nearby classes and residents, which is something we must consider in future planning. Lastly, trash management was inadequate. There was only one trash bin available, making waste disposal quite challenging for attendees. To enhance sustainability in future events, I recommend implementing a few key measures. First, designated recycling areas. We should establish clear recycling and trash stations to promote proper waste management throughout the venue. Second, guidelines for materials and resources. We should enforce strict guidelines regarding resource usage to minimize reliance on non-renewable materials and encourage sustainable practices. Third, crowd control measures. We should introduce strategies to effectively manage crowd noise and reduce disruption to nearby areas. Now, let's talk about ethical considerations. It's crucial that we prioritize planet over prosperity and people among the three pillars. While we rely on Earth's resources for survival, we must recognize that these resources are finite and cannot meet limitless demands. In conclusion, while the Club and Society Festival showcased potential for sustainability, I would not categorize it as fully sustainable event due to several areas needing improvement. The implementation of sustainability practices was insufficient, highlighting a need for clearer guidelines for participants throughout the event. Thank you for your time.